When I was a young boy, my parents used to take me and my sister to this local pizza bar. It was a classic Italian pizzeria. Lots of little paintings on the wall, red and white block tablecloths, and a huge wood-fired pizza oven in the middle of this tiny restaurant. For me, this place was like paradise, and the pizza baker, he was God. While he was preparing our dinner, I would stand right by his working place and watch how he would stretch the dough, slapping it from hand to hand, throwing it up in the air, and how he would gently spread out the tomato sauce. It was a wonderful thing to see. And when that pizza came out of the oven, it would have that beautiful wood-fired smoky taste. Hi, my name is Peter Städler. I am a maker. Also, I'm the founder and proud owner of Städler Made. For the last few years, I've been experimenting and teaching myself how to make that beautiful stretchy pizza dough. Only I didn't have the money or the space for one of those big Italian pizza ovens. So that's when I knew I had to make my own wood-fired oven. I started welding, sawing and grinding. I made lots of different ovens, always learning something new. Finally, I took all that experience to create the Städler Made outdoor oven. This oven is built entirely out of cord and steel sheets, and the design is so simple that anyone can put it together. You just slide all the parts into each other and your oven is ready. It was never easier to make those amazing wood-fired pizzas yourself. With the Städler Made oven, everybody can become an outdoor cook. Like every traditional pizza oven, it is fired with wood. And when a piece of wood is burning, it will release all its beautiful aromas, making sure that whatever you cook will get that magical smoky flavor. You start by placing some small kindling into the oven, you light them up, and once you got that fire going, you can add bigger pieces of wood. Inside the top part of the oven, there are 2 stone baking boards. These stones will absorb all the heat from the flames and then pass it back into the food. This way, when you bake a pizza, you will always have that perfect light, crispy base. My ultimate goal is not just to make a great oven. It is for you to experience the joy of working with food and fire and knowing what it is to be a maker.